Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 24 by 36 inch canvas today, and I'm going to do a blowout pour on this tonight. Heavily inspired by my friend Canela Sirocco, my Canadian buddy. I was looking through some of her videos, one of her playlists, and I found video number 595, and I love the composition she did on that, and the blowout was gorgeous, the colors of course, and I'm looking to do a commission piece for a friend who wants ocean colors, and I think that composition is going to be beautiful because she wants lots of motion, but she wants to be soft and very floral or feminine, so I'm excited to do this tonight. I haven't done one of these in a long time. Before I started my channel, I used to do these all the time, but it's been a while since I've done one, so I'm going to enjoy this a lot. So my colors, I have Amsterdam greenish blue, I have Deco Art peacock pearl, I have Amsterdam greenish yellowish green, and then I have Golden's iridescent fine, and I've mixed up, I needed to thicken it up a little bit, so I added in a little bit of Artist Loft Old Gold, and then I have some titanium white, and my base coat color is 3 parts Chromacryl white with 1 part Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. It's a beautiful, soft, grayish blue color. I think it's going to go gorgeous with these colors. So I'm going to put down my base coat and blow it out, and then I'll layer my colors and we'll get started.
is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave. How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
So here's the overhead shot. Oh, it's so pretty. I was a little rusty with my blowout skills, but I figured it out. Just, take your time. You don't have to rush your way through it, and reevaluate if something didn't work the way you thought it was going to. But I'm super happy with this. I like to ruffle the edges. I don't like really smooth lines on the borders. So I always take my straw and give it a little bit of organic ruffles. I think that's so pretty. And these colors are gorgeous. That base coat color, oh, so pretty. And I love the hints of the yellowish green. There's a lot of it, but I used half as much as I did some of the other colors because it can tend to take over. That section right there is just, delicious. I think this is super pretty. I'm excited to see how this dries. So let's check that out next. And here we have the dry results. Isn't she lovely? That Payne's gray and white custom background color is just gorgeous. Look at that, I love it. All of the gold and the greenish or yellowish green. I do that every time. Is it greenish yellow or yellowish green? I love those pops of bright color in here. I really love it. And I love this section too here where I got a little too much into my base coat, so it kind of ate up my colors there a bit, but it almost looks like a shadow of something happening in the background. I think that's really cool the way that worked out. And just the flow and energy of the whole thing. It's so glossy and pretty. I love it. I hope you like it too. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to do the YouTube things and give me a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.